So everybody, do you want to sing a happy birthday song to your beloved? 1, 2, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carrie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, you can make a guess. Okay, so today's my birthday, and my year of birth. Sorry, my how old I am is a prime number. Everybody, so you can make a guess. So this is your time to tell me how old am I.
Oh, shoot.
哎呀，你们要猜，老师看起来有几岁的样子呀
23.
那个谁说 23的？哇，Emma，我跟你讲，今天你所有的题目肯定全对，我跟你讲，全对。Okay, oh Jason, you make a guess. Okay, Violet and Andrew, I'm still waiting for your answer. It's a prime number. So how old am I?
Wait, can I change my answer?
No, you only have one chance. Emma,
No.
Emma, type it.
Oh, okay. I have to
Yeah, type it to me. Type it to me.
say.
Andrew, 你都没有猜呢。Okay, yeah. Violet, what are you looking at? At that very happy moment, you're not sending me any of your answer. I think you didn't understand what is prime number. Okay, Cynthia, you get it right. But okay, Cynthia's right. Okay, good job, Cynthia.
Wait.
Violet, 你还没有发给我呢。
That's not fair. I always told it 37.
还没有发给我的。
30.
No, I'm 43. So I'm 43.
Oh,
Yeah,
wrong.
43. Yeah. So I'm 43, and this is my birthday. But thank you, everybody. And you know what? My birth date is also combination of a prime number as well. They're 5, 2, and 7. Get it, everybody? So 5 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, and 2 is the smallest and also only even prime number. That is even. Okay, so everybody, so that's it for the birthday tricks. Okay, so Violet,
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Violet. Oh, give me a lot of money. Thank you, and diamond and everything. And the last one, Violet, 最后一个图片不对啊！你最后一个图片我给大家看啊 ，Violet 发给我是好多钱，还有银币，还有 diamond，还有很多东西。最后一张图片是钱长的翅膀。Finally, your money is going to fly away from me. Come on, Violet. Okay, so everybody, we're going to do a calculation, okay? So because today is my birthday, so the calculation is a little bit different than before. Okay, so other than that, before it's 50 questions, right, Cynthia? And now you're
It's 100.
It's only 8 questions, okay? I'm being nice because it's my birthday. I don't want my student hates me, right? So everybody, 8 questions, okay? So there's no time limit. And the one who did the first is going to get some gift as well. Okay.
Oh, it's a speed run.
Yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, go.
Oh.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No. Okay, I'm done.
你要把答案发给我啊，make sure it's all right.
Oh. Okay. Wait. Oh, no.
Carrie,
Yes,
I have to leave at 10:15.
I know your mom has told me already.
What? Wait, what? Oh, shoot.
Okay, so when you finished, please send me the
Mm.
answer.
Oh, that. 4. So, oh,
哎呀，Jason，我要被你吓死了，真是你这个老师，
stupid.
老
Okay,
师在
there.
那个叫什么？老师在那个生日当天被学生吓得半死，你说这个好吗？这 news，老师
Mm.
本来可以活100岁的，后来在因为生日当天被某个学生吓得坟 missing the
Okay.
soul。
Yay. I put in everything.
OK，加油啊，小朋友们。So I have noticed that a lot of students is not giving me the time on time, the answer on time, or the answer is not relatively right. Okay, so everybody, let me just to tell you a secret. Okay, actually, when you see fraction algebra questions, I want you to take a look. There is some easier ways. Okay, so do you want to learn the easier way? Of course, right? So let's take a look at this one. So I want Emma. You took like a 6, 3, and 2. These three numbers give you what kind of feeling?
There.
Emma, 6, 3, and 2.
Will you repeat that, please?
Huh?
I didn't hear the question.
So 6, 3, and 2. When you look at these three numbers, what's in your brain? 是不是6等于3乘以2？ So that, and if you take a look at this one, 6, 3, and 2, 2, 3 is a factor of 6, and 6 is the lowest common multiple
Multiple.
of 3 and 2. Correct, Jason?
Yep.
Correct, Jason? Okay, so I don't know where the echo is so strong. Is it Jason? Yeah, it's Jason. Sorry, Jason, I have to mute you because the echo is so loud. Okay, so everybody take a look at this one, okay? So because of that, I'm going to use a very easy way to calculate it. Everybody look at me, okay, Valid? I'm going to bracket these two parts, okay? So this one is called the left side. This one is called the right side. Okay, so I'm going to times both left side and right side with 6. So Emma, if I have 5 equals 2 plus 3, right? And this one times 2 and this one times 2. So you're going to have 10 equals 10 still, right? So that means for the left side and right side, if you time the same thing, the answer will be still the same. So it's not going to change the equation at all. So 6 times x over 6 equals what, Andrew?
6 times what?
X over 6.
Uh,
So yeah, so equals x, okay? So 6 times x over 6 equals 6x over 6, so it's x. And 6 times 1 over 3 equals what? Equals 2.
2.
Okay, so 1 over 2 times 6 equals what?
3.
Very good. So x plus 2 equals 3. X equals what, boys and girls?
1.
Very good.
1.
X equals. Get it, everybody? So that's a much quicker because you know what? I don't know. Margaret doesn't know that, right? Xing probably know that. Xingxia know that as well. Violet and Emma knows me very well. You know how much I don't like doing the fraction and decimals, right? Remember, there's a very famous saying from teacher Carrie. She said, if there's a possibility you can do 6 minus 4, I don't want to do 1 over 6 minus 1 over 4. Correct, Emma? Because the whole number makes everything clear and easy. Correct, everybody? So Violet, why I am timing 6 is because I want to make them what? I want to make the fraction disappear. Understand, Andrew? So by doing this will much quicker save you a lot of time doing those questions. So 6 times x over 6 equals x, and 6 times negative 1 over 3 equals negative 2 equals 3. So x equals 5. Get it? Okay, so now, Jason, I want to ask you for the next question, which number you are going to time?
24.
Very good. 24, everybody. So by times 24, so 24 times x over 8 equals 3x, and 24 times 1 over 6 equals 4, equals 7. So 3x plus 4 equals 7, so 3x equals 3, so x equals 1. So the same thing, I'm going to times 24 again. So 3x minus 4 equals negative 7. So 3x equals negative 3. X equals negative. Okay, so number E, I want to ask Shinshin. Shinshin, can you tell me which number you're going to times both left side and right side?
12.
Very good. Understood? Okay, so Andrew, can you tell me which number you're going to pick times both left side and right side?
X.
No. Think about it. What is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8?
24.
Very good. So you're going to times 24, both left side and right side. Okay. So next one, number G. Margaret, can you tell me which number we are going to times both left side and right side?
21.
21. Very good. Thank you. And last but not the least, I want to call Violet. Can you tell me which number you're going to times both left side and right side?
2.
5.
I mean 10.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, everybody understood? Okay. So Cynthia, by doing this, you can do all those questions much quicker. Okay. So like I said, when we're doing calculation, it's not only just to calculate them right. I want to get them quick. So let's take a look at this one. So the same thing happened to those questions. Okay, Emma? So can you immediately tell me, so which number you're going to times both left side and right side in order to get rid of the fractional part?
Can I go get my charger?
Yep.
4. Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
is it 4?
We can times 2. Right? Just look at this one. For this equation, everybody, there's only one fraction part, which is 1 over 2. Get it? 欣欣? So, of course, Emma 说我乘以4也可以. Of course, it is working. But we also don't want to get the number super big, right, Emma? The smaller the number, the easier. And the bigger the number, the bigger possibility that we're going to make mistakes. So if we times 2, both left side and right side, 2 times half, this one equals 1, so it's gone. So x plus 1 equals 8. So x equals 7. Get it, Emma? So you don't save you time to do what? If you times 4, 那你看这要多一步，4乘以2等于2，要多出来一步，看到没有？你要做一遍，2x 加2等于16。So 2x equals 14, so x equals 7. Get it? So there's an extra steps. So like I said, I want to be the laziest teacher in this world. And I want everybody spend your time wisely. Get it, Emma? Okay, we're gonna spend time wisely. Okay, so number B, Jason, can you tell me which number you're going to time for the B?
3.
Very good. Okay, so 3 times 1 over 3 is gone. So x minus 1 equals 6. So x equals 7 as well. Okay, so let's take a look at number C. So number C, we have 2 fractions, 1 over 4 and a 1 over 2. So this time, very good. I saw Violet gave me the hand like that. Very good. So we times 4, both left side and right side. So it's x minus 1 equals 2. X equals 3. Very good. Okay, number D, Margaret, can you tell me which number you're going to time both left side and right side? You can just give me a number.
4.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, Margaret. Okay, so if we times 4.
Wait, sorry, I'm on the wrong question.
Okay, which number?
6.
Very good. Okay, because you times 6, so 6 times 1 over 6, this fraction is gone. Andrew, understand? So it's x plus 2 equals 4, so x equals 2. Good job. Okay, Andrew, now it's your turn, okay? So 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. In order to get rid of these 2 fractions, which number we're going to time?
6. Still 6.
Very good. Times 6. Good job, Andrew. So it's 3 times x minus 1 equals 2 times x minus plus 1. Okay. So Emma, I want you to pay attention because sometimes you are super quick. So you make mistakes when like something like that. So it's 3x minus 3 equals 2x plus 2. So it's x equals 5. Very good. Okay. So now Emma, your turn. 2 over 3, 2x. So everybody, no. I don't want to ask Emma to do that because these 3 questions is super hard, okay? Seems very hard. I want to testify all of you if you have the ability to do that. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 questions. I want you to practice yourself. Find out what is the answer for x. 你看 Jason 疯了 ，Jason 又疯了。 我觉得我们挺好的。We mute Jason, else I gonna be scared. Jason 肯定讲啊，right? Xin, do you agree with me?
Which two?
Mm-hmm.
What questions do we do again?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Um, the whole number used to multiple for the fraction is in order to get rid of the fraction. So like if we have 2 over 3, so the most important thing is get rid of this part. So this top part we cannot get rid of, right? And any number, like for instance, 2 over 3 times 6. So we will have 4. So this is a whole number. So we want to change the fraction to whole number. That is a process to make every calculation easy.
For like
Understood?
number G, like the x minus 1 would like, if I like multiplied it by like 4, let's say, like would it be like 4x minus 4?
So for this number G, because they have two parts, so first of all, you need to bracket the whole thing. So think about it, 3, 4, and 2. What is the lowest common multiple of the three numbers? So we know it's 12, right?
12.
Yeah, so we times 12, so times 12 inside it. So this is a one part, this is another part. So 12 times negative 1 over 3 will be negative 4 times x minus 1. And
Oh,
12
yeah.
times 1 over 4 equals 3 times 2x plus equals, so this one times 12 equals 6. So it's going to be like that. So you can see for this part, there's no fraction at all in this equation set. Understood, everybody? Violet, 你有没有在看？ Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so boys and girls. So Violet, if you see 2/3 and 2/6, which number you're going to choose?
6.
6. Very good. Times 6. Both left side and right side. So it's going to be 4 times 2x minus 1 equals 5 times x plus 1. Okay. So Andrew, or for Cynthia, for some student, not really get used to like times the thing in the bracket. So I'm going to give you a very good suggestion because you know what? 老师啊，已经43岁了，我到现在做很复杂的题目的时候还画小箭头。I still do that. OK，所以你不要觉得说，哎呀，小箭头不都是菜鸟做的事吗？OK，so I'm still a vegetable bird. OK，so there's nothing in this world called a 菜鸟. OK, Andrew, you either get it right or you get it wrong. Nobody care about if you have the little arrow or not. But the thing is, without the arrow, if you're gonna make mistakes, how about we just do the arrow? Correct, everybody? I don't care if they call me vegetable bird because I'm a vegetarian bird. Okay, so take a look at this one. So 8x minus 4 equals 5x plus 5. So 3x equals 9. So x equals. Okay, congratulations, Jason. You get it right. Okay, so for this one, I already explained it to Shin earlier. So everybody, this is a part I want you to be very careful because you see there is a negative in front of it. So negative 4 times x equals negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 1. Okay, the sign is always go with the number after it. So if in front of x there's nothing, if you see there's nothing, it's positive. So negative 4 times negative 1 equals positive 4. So it's negative 4x plus 4 plus 6x plus 3 equals 6. So I'm going to put an x together. So negative 4x and positive 6x equals 2x. And positive 7, positive 3, sorry, positive 4 positive 3 equals positive 7 equals 6. So 2x equals negative 1. So x equals negative. Okay, so this question is negative half. So last but not the least, still the same thing. I'm trying to make it a little bit bigger, okay? So everybody, I'm going to make a bigger bracket. Help me. So 2 and 3, which number you're going to pick, Emma?
6.
Very good. Emma，我跟你说，我们有 secret 哦，你哥哥这种题目有的时候都会做错。不要告诉他，不要告诉他。哎呀，你哥哥是不是在旁边？完蛋了，我在背后说他坏话，被他听到了。Okay, so Emma, 6 times half equals what? Equals 3x minus 1. And 6 times negative 2/3 equals what? Equals 4x plus 1. Get it, Andrew? Okay, so one by one, don't be hurry, okay? So 3x minus 3 minus 4x here, minus 4 because it's negative, x plus 4 equals 6. So it's negative x minus 7 equals 6. So negative x equals 13. So x equals negative 13. Jason, 要不要大呀大屁股？哩哩哩哩哩哩哩哩哩哩。Okay, so everybody, I know these questions are a little bit hard, okay? But trust me, this is grade 9 regular math requirement. Okay, so when you're in grade 9, so Margaret, you're in States, probably in grade 8, you're going to facing all these questions very soon, probably even the later of grade 7. Okay, so this is something not like I'm trying to give you a hard time, but the thing is, math, when you're having the higher grade, it only gets hard. Okay, Jason? So now let's take a look at Jason, 你怎么了? Jason, are you okay? Are you okay, Jason? Jason! Okay. Okay, 我以为还有声音。
Terry, can I use the washroom?
Of course. Okay, so everybody, today we're going to learn something about a very good thing because I think everybody loves it. I'm going to ask Xinxin. Do you love this? Okay, good, good. Margaret, do you want to have more this or less this?
More.
Okay, good job, good job. Okay, so this class is very normal because you know what? I have another class. I asked them, "Do you like this?" They said, "Oh, I don't care." I said, "Liar! You're all liar." Okay, so this is an honest class. Okay, so now I want to ask everybody. So Violet, I know you have a little pocket, right? Little case, and you have some money inside. I know you show me. Yeah, 你看 Violet 又去拿了。Okay, I know Violet has some money inside. I know Emma has some money. Okay, and I also know Cynthia has some money. So now let me ask you a very good question. Everybody loves money, but do you know the method of making?
I want to make money.
Okay, so Margaret, have you ever made some money before?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me what is your method?
Just make my mom happy.
Okay, 好，可以 make mommy happy. Okay, okay. Mommy 给你多少钱
I made money before.
$20?
Yeah,
Okay.
$20.
Okay,
I made
Mama
money
happy.
before.
Mama happy $20. Okay, Shinshin, can you tell me? Have you ever made some money?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is your method?
Like the meat,
What?
the meats, I guess.
The meat?
Yeah.
Meat?
Like no, like swimming.
What? Oh,
Like
swimming. Oh,
swimming,
okay,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, swimming. Oh, so you have 你们那个比赛赢了还有钱的。
No, like my mom.
Okay, mom gave when you won some trophies, right? Okay, mom happy, so 又给钱. So how much?
It depends. I don't know.
Okay. So what is like the most like last time she gave you the most of the money?
Like 20, I guess.
Okay, 20 as well. Okay, so Cynthia, have you ever made some money? Yeah, can you tell me how?
Just when I want some money, just tell my mom, and she will give me.
Oh, Cynthia 的妈妈好好啊，Cynthia doesn't have to do anything, just ask. Okay, from mom. 但是你看啊，就我们现在 mom 是我们的金主啊，三个都是从妈妈这儿拿的。Okay, Andrew, can you tell me something?
Like if I have badminton on a game, my mom will give me.
Okay, 还是 mom. Okay, mom, one
Yeah.
badminton game and your mom will give you some money. And can you tell me how much she will give it to you?
The most
Mhm.
25.
Okay, 哦，我们现在有个更多的啊，Violet, how about you?
Birthday.
Okay, birthday, okay. 那我今天要去问我妈妈要钱去，
老师，我有更多的
真的，你多少？
50.
Wow, okay. 那个 Emma, how did you get your money?
Wait, Carrie, 我的阿婆爷爷给我 like 1,000 every birthday or every Christmas or every time I do
Wow,
I do something good. 哦，我也是。
那我的阿婆和我的奶奶都不在了，要不然我也要问他们要去，真是。Okay, 好，Emma, can you tell me how much money you get every time you did something? Like how you make some money?
Competition.
Okay, good question.
Me too. No, dance competition.
Oh, dance competition. Okay, 那妈妈给你多少钱？
No, we won $100.
Oh, wow, yes, I remember that. I saw that. Okay, how about you, Jason?
I have another way to make more money.
Okay, 等一下，我们先听完 Jason 说。Jason, how did you get money?
You get a scholarship for $200.
Oh, where?
Music.
Oh, music.
Wow.
scholarship. 哦，那是谁给你的？
The people that hosted the music competition, I guess.
Okay, very good. Okay, Margaret, can you tell me another way of making money?
I just beg my dad for money because like he has like $100 bills, so I just ask him.
Okay, 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 okay. 哎呀，现在除了妈妈以外，看来爸爸也挺好说话的，对不对？Violet, okay, last one. Can you tell me?
Figure skating competitions.
Okay, figure
You
skating.
can steal your credit card.
Okay, so how much you win?
I don't know.
啊，那不是你说啊，是妈妈给你钱对吧
Yeah,
？How much she give it to you?
like sometimes my dad tells me he's gonna give me something, then my mom matches it.
Oh,
So like
两个人还 competition 呢。Okay, good job, Violet. 你就跑去跟爸爸说，爸爸，你看妈妈给了我20，你看你的意思呢？爸爸说，哈，我给了你20 ，I'm gonna compete against her, so I'm going to give you 30. 然后 Violet 又跑去妈妈这里说，妈妈，你看爸爸给了我30，那你看你。然后爸爸说，哎，不，妈妈说不行，爸爸给你30，我给你50。So Violet became a little rich person after doing that. Okay, so very good. I have a lot of people like that. Okay. So it seemed that mommy and daddy and grandpa and grandma is very important, right? Because they give you a lot of money, correct? But let me ask you a very simple question, okay? So there's a thing, it's called family, okay? So let me ask Shinshin, okay? So Shinshin is going to have a swimming game. Okay, very, very hard. Try so hard, okay? 好，回来以后他妈妈很高兴，给了他20块钱，对不对？Okay, so this $20 technically before is belong to mom, and now give it to Shinshin. Okay, so I don't think Shinshin is making any money, but the money is transferred from mom to Shinshin. Shinshin, don't you agree with me? Okay, so technically your family still only have $20. There's nothing has been created at all. But among all of them, I'm going to say the dance competition and the scholarship from the music is something that you are actually making some money. Don't you agree with me, everybody? Because
my
you're getting
grandma
some
and
money,
grandpa are in China, so
but
they
they're
are,
still your family members, right? So that's considered as that, right?
but they're halfway across the world.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's still your family members, right? So family members, the money is still just a transfer. So in my way, it's just my way, okay? In my way, I think making money is getting money from the strangers. Don't you agree with me?
Wait, does making money count as you find $1 on the ground or
Yes.
$100 bill on the
Yes,
ground?
yes, Violet, that's counted because that $1 or $100 bill doesn't belong to your family, correct, everybody?
I mean,
Okay,
maybe
so
it
this
does,
is my way, okay, my thinking of it. Okay, so when I asked my other classes, there is a boy actually gave me a very good example of making money. He said, the weather is getting warmer and warmer. I am going to make some money by selling
lemonade.
very good, thank you, lemonade. Okay, everybody. So now I want to ask everybody a very good question. Andrew, in order to sell lemonade, what do you need?
Lemonade, cups, a pitcher, or 3.
What?
And a stand,
Lemons.
a table,
Lemon.
and a sign.
Lemon. I
A
heard
pitcher,
Andrew
a
say
pitcher,
Lemon,
maybe
lemon,
sugar,
lemon.
ice, lemons.
yeah, very good.
Lemonade mix.
Oh, we
Cans.
have lemon.
No,
And then
we
you need the
We need the
no,
pitcher.
we
Yeah,
are
the
A
organic.
pitcher.
This is organic lemonade, so you can sell more money. Okay, so a table, very good.
and then
And
you need
A pitcher.
a sign.
Pitcher, very good. A pitcher. And
A cool sign that goes like, yo, you should buy this lemonade.
nice.
You like
Okay.
those big jars of like
Okay, yeah. So everybody, let me ask you. Can we borrow the pitcher from our mom because they love us?
yes.
We don't have to buy new, right? So we can borrow. So that means there's no dollar for that. Okay, table, again, we can borrow, right? So it's no dollar. And ice, can we make them ourselves?
Yeah, this was water.
Yes.
Right?
Just
Because
put
just
tap
the water,
water.
right?
Oh,
Because
yeah.
it's
We
ourselves.
need water.
Sugar, yes, and water. Water is free, right? Sugar, can we borrow from us?
Yeah.
Unless we ran out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have to run
But
out.
there's a two thing we need to use it, right? Because lemon we cannot really borrow, right? Because we probably need let's say we spend $10. So we say each lemon is 50 cents and we need 20 of them. And if cups, how about we want to sell 100 cups, so it's 100 of them. And
Whoa.
each cup is 0.01
Bro.
and 1 cent. Oh no, 2
Wow.
cents. Okay, 2 cents, and we need 100 of them. Okay, so everybody, can you tell me, in order to sell lemonade right now, how much money we need? Can you tell me?
$15.
We need
250.
no wait.
So 2 cents times 100, we
So
need
2 and then you add
$3
$3. And that's
$10 for the
$12.
$12.
$12 we need, right? So can you give me a name of this $12? We call it what?
$12.
a loan. Is it like a loan or something?
We called it
A
cost,
mortgage.
Bro.
right? Everybody, that is our cost. That is our cost, okay? So now everybody, each 1 cup, how much you're going to sell it?
$3.
Oh,
50
What?
cents.
太贵了吧，你们？
sell for $50.
Okay,
50 cents.
$100.
10块钱一
Maybe-
杯。
We could sell for like $1 and it could be like really good.
Yeah.
$100. $100.
Margaret, you're greedy. No. But okay,
Mhm.
Margaret said you're going to sell it for $100. 我跟你讲，除了你妈，没有一个人会买的。Okay, 没有一个人会买的。We're going to get the money from strangers. Remember, we said making money is getting money from strangers.
Oh,
Come on, you have to
But we haven't considered the fact that we could do 3.14.
No. Hey, Cynthia, give me a reason.
$3. $3. $5.
Dollars. Okay, Margaret says
50 cents.
我觉得 50 cents 比较好，真的，我觉得 50 cents 好吧，那这样
40
子吧
cents.
好不好？这样子，we sell it for $1，好不好？Whole number.
No.
Okay.
It's
We do like
organic.
$1 and
Okay.
1 cent.
How many cups are there altogether? 100
100.
杯，对不对？好了，那老师问你们，what is the profit by selling these lemonade? How much money you are going to make?
100. Oh, not 100.
$88.
$88. $88.
Thank you. 我刚刚听到有人说100块钱啊。No, the profit equals what? The profit equals
$88.
the selling total minus the cost. So it's 100 minus
Wow.
$88, right? Okay, now everybody, so you're making money, right? So now I want to ask you a very simple question, okay? There are 2 ways of making more money because I asked Margaret the very first thing in this class, before this class, I said, Margaret, 你喜欢 more money or less money? Margaret, so I want more money, okay? So everybody agree with her, right? So Emma
Yeah.
and Jason, think about it. There are 2 ways of increase your profit. Can you tell me what are they?
Me.
You go to your manager and go like, yo, can I get a raise?
No, we're talking about selling lemonade. You don't have
I
the
know.
energy.
Making
Increase the price and make it better by, yeah.
increase the price.
Increase the price or like decrease the price and sell more.
Mhm,
No,
Do
you
like-
know,
the
very
Carrie,
good, very
But
good. I
Carrie,
like
Carrie.
Uh-huh.
No, Carrie, you can do the like buy one get your second one like free or something.
没有，你这样子没有多，你 buy one get one second free，那你就只能2杯收1杯的钱，那你是 making more.
Well, then you would sell the lemonade for $2.5, which means you're gonna make a 50-cent profit.
Okay,
I
good job, Jason. I like your profit.
Or buy
Okay,
3, get a
so
bag of cookies.
simply say that, okay? Simply say that you can enlarge your profit by either increasing your selling or decreasing your cost. Correct? Everybody? So
Yeah.
first, if you think today I decided to sell it for $2 and I still sell them all, so the selling total will be 200 instead of 100. So you're going to make 188. And again, if
But the
you go
thing
to
is, we
the
don't have
supermarket,
200 cups, so
no, we didn't sell more. We just increased the price, Jason. We didn't sell more. Okay.
oh my
So
god.
again, you can also go to the supermarket and you said you bargain with the lemon seller. You said, hey, how about like that? I'm a student. I am so poor. How about that? Instead of selling me for 50 cents each, you send to me 40 cents each. And the seller said, okay, because you're so cute, Andrew, I'm going to sell it for 40 cents. So now it's only $8. So the total cost of will be $10. Correct, everybody? So, but everybody, there is a lot of things going to affect it, real profit. For instance, when you sell $1 per cup, you can sell 100. But if you sell $2 a cup, the possibility of selling them will be what? Only 80 cups will be sold. Correct, Emma? Yeah, possibility, right? But still, you're going to make 160 minus 12 equals 148. So it looks like you're still making more money, correct? But sometimes you double the price and the number of the cup is being sold is going to be affected more than half. 对不对？你们想一想 Margaret，OK， Cynthia，你想想啊，跑去那个你妈妈经常会说，哎呀，这个东西，然后 Margaret 说，老师，妈妈，我想要这个。艾玛说，妈妈，我想要这个，我想要这条裙子。妈妈说，啊，这裙子100块钱，算了算了，不买了。但如果这条裙子10块钱，妈妈会说，啊，算了算了，其实也没有很好看，但是你喜欢我就给你买吧。So the price is actually going to affect if the customer wants to buy or not. Correct, Xinxin? Do you agree with me? That is the truth, okay? So today we're not going to analysis this one because that is something related to the economics. We're going to talk about it later, okay? So this math class is not only just to tell you math. We're talking about something economics related. But today we're going to focus on how to calculate the profit. Okay, so you understand the profit equals the total selling price minus the cost. Everybody correct? Okay, so now I'm going to again tell you another thing is the profit percent. Okay, so for instance, Emma, you're going to buy a book. The book is $50. Okay, you bought it for $50 and you sell it to me. And I say, oh, Emma, 我好喜欢这本书，你可以卖给我吗？Emma said, of course, I can sell it for 100. Okay, so by sell this book, how much money does Emma make?
$50.
$50.
So I want to calculate Emma's percentage of profit. So it is profit divided by cost. Okay, everybody, please write down this one. Okay, Andrew, it is not profit divided by the selling price. It's profit divided by cost. So because the profit, Emma, this one is 50 and the cost is also 50. So Emma is making 100% profit out of this selling process. Understand? Okay, so if Emma still have this book for $50 and she sell it to me for 75. So boys and girls, please calculate what is the selling profit of Emma make out of
Wait, she's selling it for $5.
75.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I'm selling it for $5. Wow.
Well, do I put it in the chat?
Yes. Okay, so everybody, if you done, so let me just take a look at that one, okay? So very good. You need to trust yourself, Andrew. You get it right, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So the profit this time Emma make is 75 minus 50 over cost still stayed the same. So it's 25 over 50 equals 50%. Very good, okay? So now everybody, I want to tell you a very crucial story, okay? So who told you you're going to making money forever? If you have the possibility of making money, there's also another possibility of what?
You have a
Losing
member working with you, and then you need to share the
Losing.
money.
Yeah, losing money, right? So let's take a look at this one. Poor Emma bought a book for $50 and she tried to sell it for 70, for 60, and still nobody is trying to buy it from her. So she ended up selling it for 45.
I'll buy it.
I lost $5.
Okay, so very good, Emma. So Emma said, I lost $5, but how did you do it? Because we're still using the selling price minus the $50. This is so-called profit, but negative profit. So that is what? You
Lose.
$5. But when you calculate the percentage of profit or percentage of lose, that's the same thing. It's the number you lose or the number you win divided by the cost. Is always divided by cost. So it's -5 over 50. Get it, Violet? So it equals -10.
10.
So what does it mean? That means you lose 10%. Get it? So that is the percentage of losing. Okay, everybody? Understood? Okay, so now I'm going to explain another thing with all of you, okay? So Andrew, for instance, if I told you I sold a book for $75,
Here we have to go
I
now.
told you I sold the book for $75 and I am making 50% profit of the selling process. And could you please tell me what is my cost? Violet, you're leaving, right?
Bye bye.
Okay, good job. Okay, 加油，把他们都跑的第一二档跑第一名，加油 ，Violet。
Oh, track and field.
拜
Bye
拜，
bye.
拜拜。Okay, so everybody take a look. 哎呀，谁在弄这个声音？你看，又是 Jason。打屁股，今天一定要去 Jason 家打他屁股，然后录下来，然后放到群里面，大家都可以反复观看。Okay, so $75. Emma, you bought a book and you don't know how much it cost, but you sell it for $75, and we know you make 50% profit. How do we find out the cost? 那这道题目我们前面做过了，对不对？哎，我们知道是50块钱，对不对？ But how do we find out the $50 out of it? So let's take a look at this one. So the $75 is actually including two parts. One part is the cost, correct? And the other part is the profit, correct? Because the profit equals selling price minus the cost. That's why the selling price equals profit plus cost. Correct, everybody? Do you understand this part? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. If I'm telling you this book has been sold for $75, and we know 75 equals what? Equals the cost and the profit, correct? We don't know how much is the profit, but I know the percentage of the profit is 50%. That means what? 一半的 cost. Why? Because 50% equals what? Equals profit divided by the cost. 对不对，小朋友们？所以 profit 是不是就等于 50% times cost? So Cynthia, 50% also equals what? Half. 对不对？是不是就是 half cost? OK, 一个 cost 加上 half cost
Harry,
就是一个半 cost.
Harry,
Yeah, Emma?
can you explain this part again, please?
This part, okay. So because the profit divided by cost equals 50%, the question tell you the profit percentage is 50, right? So we know from earlier, this is our the formula is profit divided by cost equals 50%, correct? 好了，那 x, so 我把这边写大一点啊 ，P over C equals 50%, right? So in order to get rid of the C, we times C both left side and right side. So C and C are gone. So profit equals what? 50% times. Understood? Okay,
Yeah.
so P equals half C. Why I'm using fraction? Because, you know, fraction is better than the percentage when you're calculated. 好了，那一个 cost 加上半个 cost 是不是一个半 cost 啊？那一个半 cost 等于75，那 cost 等于多少啊？等于75 divided by 1.5. So cost equals 50. Get it, everybody? Okay, so I'm going to give you the question like that, okay? So if I have a watermelon, okay, I don't know how much I buy it, but I sell it for $100, okay? And I'm making the profit of 20%.
Hmm?
No. This is not a very good number. Let's do it
20.
80. Okay, I sell it for $80, and it's 20%. Where is the 80? No. 60. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah, I sell for 60 and making the profit of 20%. Can you tell me how much is this watermelon cost? The watermelon 好贵啊。
Yeah.
Who would buy a watermelon for $60?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like overpriced.
Japanese melon.
Oh wow, Japanese melons are like they're good.
Yeah,
Japanese Wagyu. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, is that? Mm.
Okay, so I have received Jason's answer, Shinshin's answer. Okay, so just think about it. This 60 is including the cost and the profit, right? So Emma, think about it. Because the profit percentage is 20, so it's cost times 20% equals the profit. Understood? Okay, so that means this one is 1/5. So 1/5 cost equals 1 and 1/5 cost equals 60. So cost equals what? Equals 60 divided by 1 and 1/5 equals 60 divided by 6/5 equals 60 times 5/6 equals $50. Good job, Jason. Very good.
No.
All right. Understood, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, Shinshin, what is the question?
I have a question, like, how did you get the 1/5?
Because 20% equals 1/5.
Oh,
Yeah, get it? Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, last one. Okay, so let's see, a basketball. Okay,
That
and I
scared me.
bought, I sell it for $20. Okay, I sell it for $20, and the profit I make, 20, not a very good number. Let's make it 40.
No, the basketball would be like 50 or 60.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, so you're making 25% of profit. Okay, everybody, please calculate how much is the basketball that cost.
How are you selling a basketball for $40 and still making 25% of a profit?
Yeah.
Really? Basketball 又不是很贵的了。
It's like 50 or 60.
Really? Let me go to Amazon.
Let me go to Amazon.
Some cost like
你
72.
看他们买得起的，
Pardon?
很贵啦。
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, I show you everybody. One second.
The really good basketballs, though, they cost a lot.
对啊，我给你看，我买的已经很好了。
Let me see.
Like a
Show you
Stephen
everybody.
Klein ball.
我的电脑怎么这么慢
Golly.
I need a new computer.
Then you should use this.
I need a new
You should
computer.
use honey.
Computer for so many years.
那你哥哥给你买一个。
Hmm.
Oh,
What did I do?
你
Please.
发出那种滋啦滋啦滋啦滋啦的声音。哎呀，哎，我出来了，我给你们看。
Guys, we're gonna be doing some Amazon.
Everybody 看，你看，
Oh.
Okay, these
Diba?
basketballs suck. Look, you're saving like 10 per the good ones are like
对啊，你
expensive
看
and
这种才卖35，你看，
they're street
你看这个挺
basketball.
漂亮的，你看这个还带打气筒的。
It was 57.99.
Okay, everybody. So tell me, okay? So we have a basketball selling for $40 and we're making 25% profit out of it. Please tell me what is it cost and send it to me by chat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Jason, stop it. Okay, I have to mute him, okay? Sorry about that. 然后过一会儿我会去打他屁股。I promise you, everybody. And I'm gonna record it and send it to the chat, and everybody, you can just review it.
You don't know where I live.
你妈妈早就告诉我了。
What?
Okay, so everybody, so this $40 is including the cost and the profit. And because we have the 25% profit percentage, so the profit is actually calculated by 25% times the cost, which is AKA 1/4 cost. So because the profit equals 1/4 cost, and the cost is cost to sell, so that means cost plus 1/4
Two
cost
costs.
is 40. So 5/4 cost equals 40. So cost equals 40 divided by 5/4, which is 40 times 4/5, which is $32. Okay, so get it, everybody? So if you have any calculation problem, that is 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32.
Wait. Let me just read.
Emma, Leo, good job. Jason, good job. And Xinxin, good job. Okay, so Sincere, do you understand how we get it right? Peace,
No,
peace.
wait. I'm just gonna write it down.
Yeah, you have a calculation problem. Okay, so that is normal. Okay, so now let's go.
No,
back.
I needed to copy it.
你做对了呀。
I'm gonna forget.
我没办法了。Okay, so this is not
Just
something.
take a screenshot next time.
Well, I was too slow.
So everybody, let's take a look at some sample. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So
Holy, a figurine is $8,000.
the selling price of a figurine is $8,000, but it is sold at 4,800.
The
With the
answer would
profit
be so
is
basically we already it's like
Jason, Jason, can you stop talking when I'm talking, because the Zoom is only support only one people talking, because when you're talking, when I'm talking, so people is gonna say like you are doing then I'm doing
sorry.
okay? Everybody take a look at this one. So I want to ask Andrew a question. So the question is telling you the selling price is 8,000 and it's selling for 4,800. Let me ask you, what is the true selling price for this figurine? It is 8,000 or 4,800?
8,000.
Me.
Because you know the
8,000.
profit was selling price minus the cost.
8,000.
The selling price is 4,800.
好
OK，这个那小朋友说，为什么这里有个 8,000，这里有个 4,800？小朋友听好了，因为 8,000是标价。我们有没有跟妈妈去店里面买东西，说，哎呀，这个东西好贵啊，要1万块钱。Then it's go on sale, and Margaret's mom get it for $5,000. Margaret, correct? So the money we really pay for it is the selling price. Understand, everybody, Andrew? The money we collected from somebody else's wallet, that is the price. Get it? So this 8,000 is only marked price. Okay? So now let's see. The profit is 20%. That means the cost, so the selling price is 4,800, and we don't know the cost, but we know the profit is 1/5 cost. Right? So again, 4,800 equals 1 plus 1/5 cost. So it's 4,800 divided by 6/5 equals the cost. So the cost equals 4,800 times 5/6, which is $4,000 is the cost. But 有些小朋友说，老师，我做完了4天。好，看到了没有？这个就是你们得到的。看 ，Why？我们有很多小朋友做题目是不看题目的哟。题目问的，哎，这个小朋友，我跟你讲，肯定有这一。老师，我做完了，今天做完了，肯定有谁？肯定有，我觉得说不定有 Margaret。
骗人。
Okay, why? I'm just guessing, okay? How
No.
much is it sold if the profit has to be?
I read the question, please.
我们知道 cost 4,000 then we need to find the profit is 4,000乘以75%, which is 3,000. So in order to make the profit percentage be 75%, we need to sell it for what?
1,000.
Wow, that's so
Wow,
expensive.
get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, so this question we can make it so many different answers. 老师说，如果我希望 profit 是50%呢，那就是什么？要卖6,000块钱，对不对？ Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's go forward. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. A product is marked 20% above the cost price, then it is 90%
1,500.
of the selling price, and the profit is 120. What is the cost of this product? Okay, everybody? 干嘛这些？
I saw the answer,
对啊，那你要重新自己做一遍。
but the answer is 1,500.
那你不能接成，你要给我过程的呀。
Okay. Just,
Okay, I have received Shane and Emma. Good job. Both of you get it right. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So the product marked 20% above the cost of goods. That means what? That means the profit percentage is 20%. That means the profit equals
1/4.
20% times cost, which is 1/5 cost. Most of them are good, okay? You can also say 0.2 cost, just for calculation wise. Then it is sold at 90% of the selling price. Okay, so before the selling price is 1.2, right? Because equals 1 cost plus the profit equals 1 cost plus 0.2 cost, so equals 1.2. And then it's selling 90% of the selling price. Real selling price is 1.2 cost times 0.9 equals 1.8 cost, which is 120. So the profit is 120. So the profit equals selling price minus the cost, which is 1.08 minus cost. So equals 0.08 cost, which is 120. So the cost is 1,500. Okay, you can get it right. This whole process is really, really exhausting. Let me introduce the easier way to everybody. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Emma said, I love easy way. Yes, I love easy way. So, Andrew, 老师问你啊，I would like to live in a life like everything is whole number. Correct, Cynthia? Correct, Margaret? 我们今天做的所有的题目都希望它是整数。那老师问你，如果今天我告诉你这个东西都是100或者10块或者5块，是不是很高兴？So I'm going to just make this thing selling for $100. 它到底是不是100块钱？Of course not 100块钱。But I just assume it is $100. Okay, 好了，他说 the cost is $100. Okay, 他说呢 the market at 20% of the cost price. Okay, 好了，那说明我卖多少钱？卖120。Correct, everybody? Okay, 好。他说我最后啊卖了90% of the selling price。那 real selling price 是120乘以0.100，
108.
对不对？好，那我现在来算了。The profit of me is 108 minus 100 is $8. Correct, 星星？如果我的 assumption is right, it should making $8, 不是120。But the truth is, 我实在赚了120块钱啊 ，Margaret. So how to make $8 to 120? Haha, times 15.
15.
So I'm going to do everything times 15. So that is the true thing. 1,500.
Ooh.
This is much quicker, right? Much quicker, much quicker. 对不对，欣欣? Okay, so you don't
Teacher's
have to
so
calculate
smart.
all those things. You just think about it, the ratio. You assume something. You made up something. 你说，哎，我就觉得它 cost 100块钱。我要 make 20% profit，那我就卖120块。是我120块卖不出去，我就打了10% off，所以我卖是108块钱。那108块钱我能赚多少钱？我能赚8块钱。但是题目告诉我，我赚了120块钱。So how to make 8 to 120? Cynthia, I times 15. 那说明我所有的东西都缩小了15倍。So in order to make it true, I times everything 15. So the original cost is 1,500. And the original selling price is 1,800. And the real selling price is what? if this one is 100 1620 and the real price is 1620 minus 1500, so I make the profit. Margaret, understood? Is this one better way? 对不对 ？Much quicker。你看这个题目做的也很麻烦，老师前面做的很麻烦，但是用我们自己的方法，很快就做出来了，对不对 ？Okay, so now let's move to the last question. Okay, so this question is the hardest one, boys and girls. Okay, I want you to be calm because you know what? This is a true life story of math. Because math is useful. I have heard so many students tell me, 老师学数学一点用都没有，有什么用呀？你看，那数学很有用，对吧？你要是数学不好，你以后去开个店或者你做个 business，你就不能赚很多钱，对不对 ？So, because we want to learn more money，对不对 ？Okay, a shop purchased some shoes at $65 per pair. OK， 小朋友们，这个是什么 ？Cost， 对不对？一双鞋子 cost 65块钱 ，65. Then it sold it for 75. Okay, so selling price is 74. 好了，那小朋友们，你是不是马上就能写出来 ？The profit is what? $9. Okay.
What?
其实
Yeah,
这
yeah.
是9。哎呀，我知道了，Jason 肯定算老师，因为是11嘛，算错了，是$9，对不对
I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah. So it's $9.
Yeah, it is $9.
Okay, so everybody, so let's take a look at this one. The shoe shopkeeper 就是 owner， 他算了一下，他说：“哎呀，我一共赚了440块钱。” When there were 5 pairs of shoes left. Okay, so everybody, that's the true economics. Okay, in best case scenario, 就像我们卖 lemonade 一样 ，Jason 希望把100杯都卖掉，对不对 ？Margaret 想把它甚至100杯都用100块钱一杯的价钱都卖掉，对不对 ？But the truth is, you're not going to sell it for $100 per cup, and even worse, you cannot even sell the 100 cups altogether thoroughly, because that's economics. This is in your dream. We want to make everything is successfully, but it's not so. 对不对，Emma？好了，一共买了多少双不知道，但是有5双什么砸手里了。It's very normal happen in selling shoes. For instance, 星星说：“哦，我好喜欢这个鞋子啊，可是 I am in size 7. I only have size 5. Can you buy it？” 星星说：“没关系，我把脚切了，跟辛德瑞拉的那个姐姐一样，对不对 ？Okay, no, it's not going to be working. Okay, Andrew 说：“老师，我好喜欢这双鞋，我想买。”可是呢 ，Andrew 的 size 是 5，we only have size 10. Andrew 说没关系，我先买着，等到我长到 size 10的时候我再穿。No, you never know you're gonna grow up to the size 10 or not. Correct, everybody? So,
I mean-
there are 5 pair of shoes 砸手里了，没有卖出去。Okay, so the question is, how many pair of shoes did the shop purchase initially? 一开始的时候有几双鞋？ Okay, so there are 2 ways of calculating. Okay, so first of all, I'm using the algebra way to tell everybody. So this one is a very simple way. It's like the question asks how many pair of shoes have been purchased initially. We just said we have X pair of shoes purchased initially. So because of that, can we know what is the cost total? Yes, the total cost is 65x. Cynthia, understand? 因为每一双鞋是65块钱，我一共有 X 双鞋子 so they're altogether 65 times X. That's the cost total. Okay, and we know the profit we earned.
$9.
Profit is
440.
440, right? So we could know the selling total. Okay, 小朋友们 the selling total should be what? Should be 74x or
So-
74 times x minus 5.
5? Oh,
Of course, it's x minus 5 from 74, 对不对？因为每一双鞋我们卖74块钱，但是 Emma 我们没有所有的鞋子都卖掉啊，对不对？如果所有的鞋子都卖掉，那就是 74x。但是有5双鞋砸手里了，so that's why we have the equation 74 times x minus 5 equals 65x plus 440. Correct? Understand, everybody? Okay, so we're going to times out 74x minus 370 equals 65x plus 440. So I move this guy over here and move this guy over here. So 74x minus 65x equals 440 plus 370, which is 810. So 9x equals 810. So x equals
90.
So they are all together. 90 pair of shoes has been purchased. So this is algebra way. Using algebra, we can solve most of the questions in math, the word problem. 有些小朋友说，老师，我不会啊 I don't know how to do algebra. So can you do it? Of course, okay? Without the algebra, we can still do that. So first of all, we still go back to the original one. It's the selling price is 74, the cost is 65, and we're making $9 per pair of shoes we sell, right? Okay? 好，可是如果他每双鞋子都卖掉，是不是应该 the profit divided by each of the pair of shoes has been made and the price 440，就是 the profit divided by each pair of shoes can make
Yeah.
9。这个答案是不是就应该 how many pair of shoes you sold, right?
Yeah.
但是我们看到440 is not
Not
divisible.
divisible.
Why?
We need
There are 5 pair of shoes is not being sold, right? 那我们这样子来算就行了。假设 what if 这5双鞋子卖掉，我能拿
Wait.
回来多少钱啊
well, extra
？370，对不对？那
Yeah.
是不是就是我的 profit 呀？Okay, so 370 plus 440 equals 810. 810 divided by 9 equals 90. So they are altogether 90 pair of shoes could be sold total if we
Oh.
sold everything.
White.
Get it, everybody? Okay, so both of the way we can get the same answer, but it's up to you. You want to get the answer or not. Okay, so I'm going to still 我们稍微拖堂一会儿啊，因为不然的话这个没有讲完就来不及做了。作业很多不会做。OK， 好，小朋友们 ，actually other than selling lemonade, okay, or asking money, there also another way of making money is you can get money from bank.
Loan.
Okay, you can get money from bank. 妈妈的钱不算钱，卖 lemonade 赚的钱算钱。你 go to bank，你赚的钱也是钱。Okay, in order to get some money from bank, you need to get some money from mommy first. Okay, because bank is not your mommy. Bank is not going to give you any money because you do a really good dance or figuring or anything or smile or making your mom happy. You cannot go to the bank. You said, hey, bank, I want to make her happy. Can you give me some money? The bank will say, you're a robber. Okay, bank will pick up the phone and call 911 and send you to the prison, right? Okay, so bank, you need to give bank some money in order to get some money. So for instance, your mom gave you $10,000. Okay, you save it, you deposit to the bank, and the bank give you 5% interest rate. So every year you're going to get $500 from the bank. OK， 那如果你存了3年呢，那就有500乘以3等于1500块钱 interest. OK， 好 ，there are also 2 ways of making more money from bank. One is increase the principal. So if you deposit 10,000, you make 500. But if you make deposit 20,000, Emma, you're going to make 1,000, right? So increase the principal. There's also another way of making more money in the bank is increase the interest, right? Interest rate. But unfortunately, as a human being, as a very normal people, we can only increase the principal. We cannot increase the interest rate by ourselves. Only the government of Canada has the rights to increase the interest rate. Understand, everybody? So today we have learned how to make money, okay? There are two ways. You can either buy or sell something to make some profit, or you can get some money from your mom, you borrow some money, and you deposit into the bank, you make some money. And in order to make more money, there are also 4 ways. If you're doing business, you can increase the selling price, decrease the profit, correct? And in order to get some money from the bank, you can increase your profit or increase the interest rate. Or you can even longer the time. For instance, you deposit for 1 year, you only get 500. You deposit for 3 years, you get 1,500. Get it? Okay. So this is something we learned today. Okay. So you know a lot of things about the money, right? And let me tell you, this is also the part when you're in grade 9, you're going to spend a lot of time learning how to earn money, how to get more money, and how to pay the government taxes and everything. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I wish you enjoyed it, and we're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.